So you want to format your numeric merge field with commas or thousands separators. Here's the offending merge field. What I would do is I'd right click on it and go to toggle field codes. So you'll see within this brace bracket you've got merge field and then the name of the field that you're merging. And what you do after that name is you put a space in, then a backslash, a hash, a comma, then a 0, and then if you want 2 decimal places, .00. So if I then right click on this merge field and go to update field, it will show the numeric value formatted in the correct way. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.